Hi there, this is Corey from Conquering the Chaos, and I wanted to make this demo video for you about how to create a vision board. Um, First off, I'd like to say I don't know if you can hear that squeaky noise in the background, but if you hear that, that's my dog. And she found one last squeaky toy from Christmas, and she is having the time of her life. So I apologize for that if you hear that, but hopefully it's not too distracting. Um, anyway, back to the vision board. I wanted to do this video because um, I feel that vision boards are very impactful as far as your goals go. You are much more motivated when you can see what you want on a daily basis. If you create pictures and visuals for yourself, you're more likely to stay motivated to keep you going where you want to go. So, oh, and secondly, I wanted to show you this because I included a vision board in my latest spreadsheet, which is a goals planner where you can plan out all of your goals, which is highly appropriate because it's January 3rd today. So hopefully you're setting up goals for the new year. So this is the page from the goals planner, the vision board. So I'm just going to take you through the process. I just worked on this career and business vision board right here. The way I have it right now is that there's 12 different spaces for you to create different vision boards if that's how you want to do it. It's very easy to change. You can make one gigantic vision board. You can keep these the same, make them bigger, cut them down. I'll show you how to do some of that here in the end. But for now, I'm just going to take you through the career and business and show you how I created these visuals as well. So I set myself up thinking, what do I want from my business this year? What core values do I have? What is the life I want to live? What is the life I want provided because of this business? So I just kind of started brainstorming, and I went to Canva next to make some pictures. So let's go over to Canva. Actually, first, let me take you through these. So this is what I kind of came up with here first. I win or I learn, but I never lose. I just love that. And it's so important in any part of your life, but I thought that it was particularly important in your business. This little Kermit the Frog swimming in a sink full of money. I just thought that was funny because obviously I want to make money from this. This is my image for support. I want to be able to support people, and I also want support from people. I want to create this community for people. I want to make a difference. I want to be flexible. I want to have plan A, but be okay if it moves to plan B, C, D, E. I mean, I probably am on plan Z by now at this point. But anyway, flexibility, that's one of my core values. So then let's go over to Canva. Oh, now I can really hear the squeaking. She got the squeaker out. Okay, over to Canva. So I created a document of 200 by 200 pixels images. So here's where I have them. I'm just making a line of them. So I'm going to add a new page. Another thing that I was thinking of, and I already looked it up. Well, I have two. I have plan, and then I had whichever. Let's try create. I'm going to put in create there, And I'm going to look at the photos. I'm going to choose one that I like. I was created to create. Let me just. I'm going to just select this because there was one that I liked. All right, it doesn't matter particularly for this, as I can go back and change it. So I'm just showing you how to make it right now. So I'm just gonna take this create. I like this. I want to be creative. I want to always be creative. I'm gonna change the background color to just something that looks good. No, I don't like that at all. No, that's not terrible. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. Um, I'm going to add one more page because there's this quote that I really want to add into my vision board. And it's a Mel Robbins quote that I found earlier. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over and where's my text? I'm going to go to text. And I'm just going to pick a fun text. What? That's kind of cute. Also cute. And go up, go up, go up. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Oh, let's do shine and sparkle. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to change the font size so it's all down here together and I can look at it. Your doubts create mountains. Your actions move them. I'm going to cut that. So now I just have your doubts create mountains. And then I'm going to get rid of that and put in my last part of that quote. I'm going to ungroup these. I don't like that. It doesn't work for this quote. Okay. Your dreams create mountains, and your actions move them. Okay. I think that's cute. I like it. Actually, I don't like that background. Maybe I just do a lighter one. Oh, that's the same color. No. No. Okay, I'm back to that gray again. There we go. I'll just do that. Okay, so then we're going to download these. Download 7. Download. Oops. Download. Okay, I'm going to go back to my vision board. So since I'm going to add them to career and business, there's these boxes here just to give you an idea, but we are going to insert images directly over over the cells. So it doesn't, these boxes don't particularly matter. You don't have to fit the image directly into that little box because mine didn't work that way. And there's no need for, you can do it however you want. So I'm going to go to insert image over cells, browse on my computer. And nope, that's, here we are. All right, I'm going to pick this create one. I'm going to move it. I'm going to make this a smaller one just to give some variation. Okay, that's smaller. I can put that right there. All right, so you can see I'm getting to the end of my box. I'm just going to extend this out. I'm going to highlight these rows and I'm just going to color them the same color. So now my box is a little bit larger and I'm going to insert my last image. Put that in. I think this is my favorite one. move that. Maybe I'll try and make that the biggest. Okay. So there we go. So that's my vision board for my career and business. Um, I like I had to include this vision board in the goals planner because hopefully you're looking at your goals on a daily, weekly basis. So this vision board will always be here, and you can look at it when you're looking at your goals too. Um, so I felt that it was really important to add that. Another thing is that this isn't set in stone. You can change this, review it all the time. Whenever you want to add something, if you want to take something away, maybe money is not that important to me in the future. Yeah, right. And then I would take it away, or whatever. Um, but so that's how you would make this vision board. Now, if you don't want to make a vision board for your friends and family, I'm going to erase that. I'm going to erase. Oh, that's a color. I'm going to change that to this. Not that. This. Um, take these away. And fill in here pink. And now I've just made, that has a border on it. And now I've just made a larger one that I can move these any place that I want and make an extra large one just for my life if I wanted to, or a bigger one for career and business. So it's very fluid how you do this, whatever just feels right to you. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me back. Let me know. Um, if you want to share your vision board, I'd love to see it. I'm probably going to work on this a little bit more and fill out these other areas. Like I said before, I don't know if I said it. There are 12 spaces here for you to add in all different kinds of parts of your life, however you see fit. So, anyway, that's that. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.